Okay, ship go. Across the world by photographers, filmmakers and even in war zones by the military, drones are becoming more popular as the technology to fly these unmanned aircraft gets better.
This weekend in Weston-super-Mare, one of the first ever drone events is taking place, and Andy Howard is there tonight. Hi, Andy.
Yes, we're at the Helicopter Museum in Weston-super-Mare, usually a place where they celebrate some of the most prestigious historic aircraft ever to fly. It's a little bit different this weekend, and you may have noticed this camera work is a bit different than you'd expect on BBC Points West as well. That's because you're about to go on a very special journey. In fact, it involves me getting behind this safety barrier. So I'm going to leave you there, have a lovely flight, see you on the other side. Now you are on board a drone, which at top speed can go at about 60 to 70 miles per hour. And you're actually going around a racetrack that's been set up. About a dozen of them will fly around there all at once this weekend in Weston. Now, if we can cut back to some pictures on the ground, this is what it's like to fly one. You can see James here. He's got his goggles on. He's using his joypad. It's very much like playing a computer game, I would imagine, for James. We're not going to interrupt him because that would be very dangerous. Jared, though, is an expert in these things. What they like to fly, Jared?
They're fantastic fun. If you consider, like you said, being on a computer game, it's like that just in real life. Obviously, you're not looking at the telly. You've got these goggles that I'm wearing here strapped to your face, and what we see through the drone is what we see in our goggles as well.
It's exactly what we've just seen on the telly.
Exactly what you've seen on the telly, yeah.
They're being used everywhere, these things.
They're being used everywhere. Agriculture even, surveying, rescue, safety, hunting, all sorts of things.
And I suppose as they get easier to fly and the camera is as good as we can see tonight, then they'll become more useful.
They will, yeah. I mean, there's already HD video links that are on the offing as well. They have already taken a hold as well. Technology is coming across leaps and bounds all the time.
Well, let's just turn around and speak to Miranda with them flying around in the background. What's it like for the Helicopter Museum to host this event?
Oh, it's fantastic. We believe it's the first of its kind to be hosted in the Southwest, so we're absolutely delighted to bring it into the area, which is brilliant. And obviously they've got a lot in common with helicopters, vertically taken off. So yeah, it's fantastic. We're really excited.
It's a new era. What can people expect to see if they come this weekend?
Obviously we've got racing all day. It is more casual on the Saturday with more full-on racing happening on the Sunday, which is fantastic. We've also got helicopter flights as well, so if you're brave enough, you can take to the skies, and you can have a go at flying some of the modern aircraft as well in the flight simulators inside.
Let me just quickly show you. What they actually look like. This is all it is. 4 propellers, and I'm told they go 0 to 60 quicker than any supercar. I'm just going to turn you around and leave you with the pictures. You can see of them flying around the racetrack there.
remember you flying a plane and not a quadcopter.
Right, come on then.
Let's go.
Did it? No, we'll look out the windscreen. You've got a hat.
Hand on there and feet on the pedal. Comfortable? Okay. If you move that, Dave, for the public to jump in to learn to fly a helicopter. Are you ready? Okay. Right hand on there, left hand on there, and feet on the pedal.
Agriculture even, surveying, rescue, safety, hunting, all being used everywhere. Agriculture even, used everywhere. Agriculture even.
Oh, it's fantastic. We believe it's the first of its kind.
Surveying, rescue, safety, hunting, all.
Oh, it's fantastic. We believe it's the first of its kind.
Being used everywhere. Agriculture even.
Oh, it's fantastic. We believe it's the first of its kind.
Surveying, rescue, safety, hunting.
Oh, it's fantastic. We believe it's the first of its kind.
Surveying, rescue, safety, hunting. Being used everywhere.
Hey, sheep, that wasn't half
even.
bad.
Meh.
You ain't seen mutton yet.
Meh.
Ooh, they're just gonna flock to this one.
Bah, 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 bah.
Will you teach me how to do that?